Do you want a recipe that's healthy, delicious, and ready in just 20 minutes? Today I'm going to show you how to turn broccoli into an irresistible omelet that will completely change your menu. If you want more quick and practical recipes like this, hit the like button now and subscribe to healthily. Here you'll always find fast solutions for your everyday cooking. This broccoli omelet isn't just any meal, it's packed with protein, vitamins, and that flavor everyone in the family will love. And the best part, you probably already have all the ingredients at home. Stay until the end because I'll give you a special tip that makes all the difference in the final result. For this recipe, you'll need 250 grams of fresh broccoli, 3 eggs, about 20 grams of green onions, half of a medium onion, 20 grams of mozzarella cheese, a little vegetable oil, plus salt and black pepper to taste. Let's start with the broccoli, the star of our recipe. First, cut it into small, even pieces so it cooks evenly and is easier to eat. Bring a pot of water to boil with a pinch of salt. When the water is bubbling, add the broccoli and cook it for exactly 3 minutes. Don't go past that, otherwise it will get too soft and lose that nice texture. Meanwhile, you can prepare the other ingredients. After the 3 minutes, drain the broccoli really well and set it aside. The secret here is to drain it thoroughly, because if it's too watery, the omelet may turn out soggy. Now let's make the egg mixture. Crack the 3 eggs into a bowl and beat them well. I usually use a fork, and it works perfectly. Season with salt and black pepper, but don't add too much salt because the cheese already has some. Grate the mozzarella cheese, chop the green onions very finely, and if you're using the onion, slice it as thin as possible. Now add everything to the eggs, the cooled broccoli, the grated cheese, and the green onions. Mix gently, just enough to combine everything without overbeating. Here comes the game-changing step. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat, not too high, not too low. Add a drizzle of vegetable oil and spread it evenly. Once it's hot, pour in the mixture and spread it out evenly with a spatula. Here's the special tip, cover the skillet. Covering it makes all the difference because the steam helps cook the top of the omelet evenly without needing to stir. Let it cook covered for 3 to 5 minutes. You'll notice the edges turning golden and the omelet starting to release from the pan. Now for the most delicate part, flipping the omelet. Use a large spatula or even a plate to help you. Flip carefully, and don't worry if it breaks a little, it happens to everyone. Cook the other side, still covered, for about 2 more minutes. Done. Look how beautiful it is, golden on both sides, firm, and with that irresistible smell. And here's the final result. A perfectly golden omelet on the outside and creamy on the inside. The broccoli is just right, the cheese melted perfectly, and the flavor works for any time of the day. You can serve it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's amazing with a side salad or even some bread. Now for some extra tips. If you have leftovers, you can keep them in the fridge for up to 2 days and reheat in the microwave or directly in the skillet. You can also swap the vegetables, try zucchini, spinach, or even cauliflower. The possibilities are endless. And speaking of health benefits, this omelet is a nutrient powerhouse. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C and fiber, eggs provide high-quality protein, and cheese adds calcium. It's a complete and healthy meal. Tell me in the comments which veggie you would add to your omelet. If this video helped you, check out the material I left in the description. It can help you lose weight without giving up flavor, with simple and delicious recipes that will completely transform your routine in the kitchen and help you reach your goals faster than you imagine. So, did you like this recipe? If you made this omelet at home, post a picture in the comments. I'd love to see how it turned out. Leave a like if the recipe was useful for you. That really motivates me to keep bringing more practical recipes like this. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now because every week there's a new recipe, always made to make your life easier in the kitchen.